Should have been me. She was the true hero.
But my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without
Selfish bitch. You're not a hero. You're a liar. Fraud. And an addict.
Sir, please, please. Your sister.
Why are you trying to take my place?
Get away from her! You should be dead! I salute your persistence!
Ellie! Ellie!
Need I be?
You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Why did I have to die?
Sarah.
If you wanted to be me, you could have. I didn't have to die.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sarah, I'm so sorry.
That's right, I forgot. Oliver mentioned you were having some identity issues.
You killed my sister, you stupid son of a bitch!
Now you're just embarrassing yourself. Your sister's teacher was my teacher. Did you think you could really dispatch me with a stick?
No!
I suppose we're going to see if being a killer runs in the family.
But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When we fell, something died, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time.
Dad was right. There's nothing left inside of you, Sarah.
Trank arrow.
No. No, you said it yourself. She has no soul.
Let's get it back.
I'm so sorry that I did this to you. You're so selfish of me. I'm sorry.